Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a better for you snack that is super portable and also super tasty? Then definitely check out Supernola. These little pouches of granola clusters are amazing. So these are really nutrient dense. They are made with powerful superfoods that give you a really good burst of energy that is sustained, and it really tastes delicious. So this is the variety pack, so you get 2 of each of the 6 flavors, and they are just the perfect little portable pouch that you can either throw into your bag or have in your desk at work or in your car, wherever you're gonna need a little bit of a boost. Then you can have these handy. I have absolutely loved putting them on top of yogurt. They are great on a smoothie bowl, or of course they're just great out of the pouch as well. They have a really nice texture to them. They have crunch, they have a little bit of a chew, and the flavors are really unique and super, super tasty. These are gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, paleo-friendly. These fit into a lot of different lifestyles and different diet restrictions, and they are just a really wonderful way to get a little snack that you can definitely feel good about putting into your body. So I love that there are no chemicals and preservatives. It's just real food ingredients, things that you know what it is and you can see it in every bite. So they're just an awesome snack. So I have absolutely loved all of them. They're really delicious. I love that they make me feel great and have a good burst of energy with no sugar crash later. They're just an amazing little snack. So if you need a portable snack for on the go that is going to make you feel your best and really fuel your body with good stuff, definitely check out Supernola. I love it, and that's my point of view.